In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the best practices for creating a well-planned ClickUp hierarchy. Now, why should you care about structuring your workspace effectively? Well, a good hierarchy is crucial because it ensures consistency, simplifies navigation, and enhances reporting capabilities. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this. First things first, let's talk about spaces. Think of spaces as your departmental hubs. They represent the highest level in ClickUp and should be used to signify your major departments. The idea here is to create a space for each department, like marketing or HR. This practice works well because it keeps different business functions separate and organized, providing clarity and order to your workspace. Imagine how much easier it is to find everything related to your marketing efforts in one place rather than scattered around. Next, we move on to folders, which are excellent for organizing large projects or clients. When you set up a folder, it could be for major projects such as Q4 product launch or for each client you work with. This approach offers a high-level view of a project's progress, making it simpler to track how things are moving along. Just think of folders as containers for your extensive projects, keeping them neat and accessible. Now, let's address lists, which is where your tasks will live. Lists should be designed to logically categorize your work. For instance, you can create lists for specific types of tasks, like blog content or email marketing. The key benefit here is that tasks remain organized, and you can apply specific workflows to them. It's like having a virtual to-do list that knows exactly where each task belongs. An important aspect to consider is naming conventions. Consistency is key here. A consistent naming system can prevent a lot of confusion down the road. Establish a clear rule for naming everything, whether it's 2025, website redesign, for a folder, or something similar. This consistency ensures that everyone can easily find the information they need without the hassle of searching through inconsistencies. Finally, one of the most crucial tips is to start simple and scale up. Avoid building a complex hierarchy when you're just getting started. Instead, begin with a few core spaces and lists and add complexity as your business evolves. This practice allows your team to get comfortable with the tool and ensures that your structure develops in line with your business needs. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building an efficient ClickUp hierarchy. Keep these principles in mind, and you'll set yourself up for a streamlined, effective workspace that grows with you. Thank you for tuning in today, and don't forget to apply these tips to maximize your productivity with ClickUp.